Let me start with something people don't want to hear. Most of you are not stuck because of genetics. You are stuck because you are surrounding yourself with losers who normalize misery. Yeah, I said it. You scroll forums. You scroll comment section. You sit in group chats where everyone complains, self-pities, and trauma bonds, and then you wonder why you feel hopeless. That's not Looksmaxxing. That's emotional suicide in slow motions. A community constantly reminds you how over it is. That community is not realistic. It's cowardly. Most people want validation, not growth. Here's the uncomfortable reality. Most people don't join Looksmaxxing communities to improve. They join to be comforted to their weakness. They want someone to say, yeah bro, it's not your fault. Yeah bro, society is rigged. Yeah bro, you are born unlucky. That feels good for 5 minutes. Then it ruins your life. Support is not agreeing with your excuses, feeding your insecurity, turning trauma into identity. Real support challenges you. Real supports make you uncomfortable. Real support says stop trying, start correcting. Toxic communities, let's name them. Let's expose the problem directly. There are communities right now where men ranked each other like livestock. People call others subhuman. Height becomes destiny, jawline becomes reality. That's not science, that's copium mixed with cruelty. And the worst part, people defend their spaces as truth. No, truth empowers, hopelessness enslaves. If a space makes you hate more, fear improvement, obsessed overflows, lose discipline. That space is anti-growth. Leave it or accept staying mediocre. Positive is not weakness, you are just confused. Positive is not weakness, you are just confused. Let's clear another lie. Positivity is not softness. Weak positivity says you are perfect as you are. Strong positivity says you are not there yet, but you are capable. Big difference. Big difference. One keeps you lazy, the other keeps you moving. If encouragement makes you softer, you were already soft. High performance athletes have coaches, elite models have team, top performance have support system. But somehow you think some suffering alone makes you strong. That's ego, not discipline. Let me talk to you directly. Yes, you. You who watches glow up videos but doesn't act. You who screenshot advice but never applies it. You who hides in comment section instead of building. You don't need another routine. You don't need another analysis. You don't need another excuses. You need better people around you. People who say, post it, trend it, fix it, stop disappearing. Isolation isn't maturity, it's pure mental health. The damage you are ignoring. Let's talk damage. Negative community destroys self-image, dopamine regulation, motivation, identity stability. You think you are becoming aware. What you are actually becoming is paralyzed. Self-improvement without encouragement turns out obsession, self-hatred, burned out, nihilism. And then people wonder why they quit. No one wins alone, no one. What's real support actually works? What real supports actually look like? Real support does not sound nice. It sounds like stop skipping. You are inconsistent. You can do it better. And you know it. This excuse is weak, but here's the difference. It attacks behavior, not identity. Toxic spaces says you are broken. Healthy space says this habit is broken, fix it. That distinction changes life. Build or leave. Your only two options. Here's your choice. Option 1, stay in miserable spaces. complain, overanalyze, age without progress. Option 2, build or join environment that rewards effort, normalize discipline, encourage action, respect growth. Not third option, no neutral path. Your environment will win always. Let me end this clearly. Support would not make you win. Weak people misuse support. Positivity won't blind you, ego will. You don't need people who tell you you are doomed. You need people who refuse to let you quit. And if you can't find that space yet, then become it, because someone else is watching silently and your discipline might save them. This is part 26 out of 30, and if this made you uncomfortable, good, that means it worked.